next day, two of her other classmates went home sick as well. She came home that day, and I would say within a matter of 5 or 6 hours, started displaying symptoms as well.
A mother says her fifth grader was exposed to COVID in the classroom, but she says she never got notified and her daughter wasn't sent home. Knox County Schools has been open about their contact tracing changes this school year, but Alex Meyer spoke to a parent at Farragut Intermediate who says the lack of communication put her family in a tough spot.
Rebecca DeLoa has a fifth grade daughter out sick with COVID symptoms. She says it wasn't until her daughter came home that she found out other kids who sit nearby her in class were also out sick.
I asked her, what vicinity the children were in her classroom. And unfortunately, it was just her cluster of desks. So we kind of knew then there might be an issue.
Last school year, Knox County schools would contact trace and let parents know if their student had potentially been exposed. This year, they're leaning on the health department.
They will not be as heavily involved in contact tracing at this time as they were last year. We'll be doing most of that.
In the health department, they can tell us, but I haven't. Again, it's not the same communication we received last year. It's everyone in limbo.
DeLoa says being in limbo is especially problematic for her family. Her husband is the sole breadwinner, but now that he's been exposed, he has to take time off work, putting a hold on the family's ability to bring in money.
He does not get paid time off where he works. He does not get sick leave. So therefore, economically, that's just a loss for our family.
DeLoa understands we're in unprecedented times.
Honestly, this probably won't be the first or last thing that we're going to have to kind of juggle as we go through this school year.
But she's struggling to understand why things changed.
It had been proven effective, so why would something like that be taken away now that this Delta variant is out?
We've reached out to KCS for comment but haven't heard back. DeLoa remains positive, saying it's not too late to make adjustments.
And that mom says she's also starting to feel sick. The family plans to quarantine so they don't spread the virus.